As we know, as per Coulombs law, two charges Q1 and Q2 separated by a distance r experiences a force Q1 Q2 by r square, where 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 is 9 into 10 to the power 9 . In this problem, Q1 is given, Q2 is given, R is given 30 centimeter, that means 0.3 meter. On placing the value in the relation, this result into 10 to the power minus 7, 3 into 10 to the power minus 7 upon 0.3 square. On simplifying, separate the numbers 9 into 2 into 3, 0.3 square is 3 by 10, 3 by 10 means 9 by 100, 100 will go up, that will become 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power minus 7, 10 to the power 9, 10 to the power minus 7. 9 is cancelled by 9, 6 into 10 to the power 2 minus 7 plus 9 minus 7. That result in 10 to the power minus 3. So the net value of force is 6 into 10 to the power minus 9 to the power minus 3 Newton. The direction of force will be repulsive because like charges repel.